So we are in Signal Hill in Newfoundland. It's a beautiful view. I'm not even sure this camera will do enough justice to how beautiful this place is. Like the views are so scenic. It's like beautiful, beautiful. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello. What do you mean hello? Oh.
So beautiful. We came here. Here is one of the top tourist places here. So we thought to come and see for ourselves, and it's so beautiful. I think I just seen the views. It's for me?
Yes.
She always gives me flowers. Oh, thank you, baby. I love it.
You're welcome.
Oh, she's
You got it.
yeah, me too. Me too. Me too. You carry me.
There's rocks through the window. I think they don't want people to see. I think they don't want people to see the rock. So I think they use rocks so they can block it so nobody can see.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
No, they're just rocks
Yeah.
kind of rock.
The view is beautiful. Just so windy. Yeah, the ocean. It's so beautiful. I used to be all of St. John's from here.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
Get to walk away.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, why in the bill? Explode, I think. So I can keep it cool. View.
You get a cluster and you say what's on me.
Yeah, I see it too. So we went into this shop called the Heritage Shop of Newfoundland and Labrador. It's like a gift shop where they sell like customized merchandise for Newfoundland, and we got a couple of things. I got a mug from there, beautiful mug. I love it. That's my go-to mug now for tea. And then my kids got, I think, stuffies. One got a puffin stuffy, one got a dog, and the other one got, I think, a snow, what do you even call it? Something like that. And we just got those things as like a souvenir from Newfoundland. And I think even though they were quite pricey, but they were like good, souvenirs to take from Newfoundland and back to Nova Scotia. My children loved the gift item so much that I became so attached to it from there till we go back to Nova Scotia and even till now. Signal Hill in St. John's in Newfoundland. Hi, Nabil. There were so many people on the day we went, like many tourists. I could see number plates of vehicles from various provinces across Canada and even in the US. It's a very beautiful place. I hear a lot of people come here year in, year out to see this masterpiece. It's, I don't even think that my camera, my phone camera, I use my phone camera, is doing enough justice to it. I did also use this professional camera, but I didn't get to like take the videos from there. Just from my phone, and you can see how beautiful it is. Like it's even more beautiful in person. Still the Signal Hill in St. John's, Newfoundland, Canada. We're enjoying the views.
You know you could have filled in all those rocks. Whoa! Oh no, Max fell down. Hey, just leave it.
Should I help you grab it?
Mommy, let's go now.
Yeah, I'm going. I'm right behind you. You okay? Abby, you don't want to come here? You thirsty? There's water in the car. I guess in the car you can do
I can fly. I can help you too.
the queen's battery birds.
Someone's
2 to 4. No, I think there's something here. Let's go inside and see what's on. Let's wear our mask. What mask can I be? What mask? Alright. Okay. Alright. Yeah, thanks. So what happened here?
This is the Queen's Battery Barracks. We just have it open now for tours and looking around.
Are these beds?
Yeah, they are. So do you see this bed here?
Yeah.
This is, so all the beds like this
Let me film me. Do you mind me?
fold out like that.
Oh, I see.
So they're all, so that's how they function.
Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. 12 people lived in here at one time.
Oh, really? Like soldiers?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This room is set up to look like it did in 1864.
Okay.
So like 100.
1864.
1864, yeah.
That's almost about 150 years thereabout.
What's that?
160 years ago thereabout.
Yeah. 160 it is.
Yeah.
You got it.
All right. Thank you. Nice to see you.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's go down.
Have a good day.
And you as well. Yes, baby. Fortress Didi.
What time was you know people there? Kanu.
Kano.
That's around all of the Kanu this thing.
In Nigeria.
Yes.
Really?
Out there. That's why they said Kanu. The Kanu was the last they penetrated.
No video.
They were the last to be penetrated because they actually went back to go and create another special gun, the colonial, to create, and that gun was the first to be used. And the gun could not even penetrate
The wall.
as in
Pé wọ́n ti gbé bẹ́ẹ̀dì yẹn pé sí 1918 kìíní kan ló pè tí wọ́n ti tí bẹ́ẹ̀ ti wà. Pé wọ́n model ẹ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe wà ní 1918 kìíní kan. Òyìnbí náà ó dàbẹ́ náà ó kàlọ́ sí kìíní stadium. Wọ́ọ̀lù ayé. Wọ́ọ̀lù ayé.
let me even measure it.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ measure ẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ measure width ẹ̀? So Newfoundland is one of the 4 Atlantic provinces in Canada. We live in Nova Scotia, and we've been to New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island, PEI. So this is our 4th Atlantic province that we've been to. We are so glad we made it. It's been a long trip. So we took about 4 hours to drive to Sydney, then we took ferry for 7 hours, then we drove 9 hours to St. John's, where we are. Ewo lẹ ń ṣe.
I took a video of you going inside.
Okay.
Wọ́n sì fún sára mọ́tò owó náà ni. Sára mọ́tò. What's it for? Ṣé o gbọ́ sí báyìí ni? From. Okay. Àmọ́ òbí ara tourist kìíní ni. Leaving Signal in now. We had a nice time here. history, everything. Cool. You'll be here if you come to Newfoundland and Labrador in St. John's. So this is another side of Signal Hill. We just toured one part. This is another part that goes all the way down. Wow, we almost missed this. Yeah, yes, we are going all the way down. Wow, this is quite a distance. So, look at that. Okay. It's really far away. Wow. Oh no. Wow. Look at that.
I know I'm going to be sweating when we're coming back.
Okay. It's good for you. You're tired? Yeah. Then what will happen to us if you are tired? Oh my God, it's quite a distance.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Sit down.
Wow.
We're going to be so far away.
Not your hand. If you want me to.
Oh no, I got a breath when I got here, buddy. You know what?
I think it's easier to go down to come up. Let's stay here. So for those coming, keep going. Oops. Yeah, good, thanks. How are you too?
Tired.
I know. It's easier to go down this way, but to come up is the
windy. Yeah,
that's where the walk is.
It's worth it though.
Yeah, it is a beautiful view. Wow. Whew.
I'm not even looking back up.
Are you scared?
Kind of. It's dangerous.
Oops.
Wow. A big green thing.
Yeah, it is. Whew. It's a beautiful view. Man, and it goes all. So this is another view in Signal Hill, and it's such a beauty, but it's quite a walk. Like you walk all the way down. That's Abdul, Nabil, and Fuza up there, and Nabila and I are walking down. Let's go, baby girl. Whew, it's quite a view and the distance. So just look at the view of this place. Oh boy. That's Nabil. That's my son. And that's Fuza and my husband right there. Fuza is tired. And that's Nabila. Nabila, mama. Now give me a small Nabila. Give me a beautiful smile. And this is Sherifat, aka mommy in this family. Oh boy. Pardon? I am. A good way or in the bad way?
A good way.
Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Wow. Wow. God is magnificent. God is wonderful. Nature is mind-blowing. Oh my God, I'm sure it's beautiful. This view is terrific. No, no animals here. It's the one for animals is somewhere else. We'll go there later. No for animals is somewhere else. side is another side of Signal Hill. We almost missed it. We'll be on the other side all the while, but we're already in the car leaving. And we just saw that people were coming out from here. So when you come here, don't miss this at all. It's a very beautiful scene. Look at how beautiful. See the greenery, the scenes, and the water. And it's still all the way down. I'm still walking all the way down. Look at this view. So, so beautiful. Look at that. Nature is beautiful. God is wonderful. Wow, I'm thrilled. Newfoundland and Labrador, I've got my heart. Daddy has to carry you. Oh, material. Oh, material. Me, oh, material. But she ain't here. About better house. It's quite a. We almost missed this place. Oh,
Mommy, as soon as they went to the.
See how beautiful this place is.
Mommy, as soon as they went to that stairs, I just said, Mom, she wants to.
Okay, let's go. Let's still. I'm still walking down.
Yeah.
Now, below serious. I won't take, but I'm still going to go down.
No, we are still walking down.
Beautiful, beautiful view. Don't miss it. When you come here, beautiful, 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 beautiful. So far. Sorry. Hi. Hi. Just. Oh my God.
We walk, okay?
Yeah. Thank you. So this is still Signal Hill. Look at how beautiful this place is. So beautiful. So beautiful. I couldn't say that enough. So the view. So we walked from top all the way from the top there. We walked down. It's my turn to carry her now. We're going back. In a long walk. Pirate ship. Oh, that ship. You want to go on the pirate ship? You can't get on the pirate ship. Okay, pirate ship. Pirate ship. And before we left for Signal Hill that day, we took some pictures in our hotel, the hallway in front of the hotel. We just took some very nice pictures before we set out. It was really a fun day. We had a nice time. It was quite tiring from the long walk, but it was really worth it. So if you find yourself in St. John's, try to get to Signal Hill. You would enjoy it, I hope. Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you are yet to. Comment, share, like it when you feel the need to. I'd really appreciate that. So enjoy the pictures that we took at the Signal Hill. Very beautiful pictures, I would say. Anyways, and we also met Chief. I did a video about Chief the dog the other day. We met him. He's a very big dog, like he weighs almost 73 kg. And that was one of the things we got to see at Signal Hill. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I have more videos coming up from Newfoundland. We had tons of things to do at Newfoundland. When I get the time, I'll bring out more videos so as for you to know how much fun you can have in Newfoundland and Labrador. Bye and take care. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you like it. It was fun collating the videos together, and I hope you enjoyed it. All right, now, thank you. Take care and stay blessed. Be good. Show love and be kind. Bye now.